Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Solana to PayPal USD. As you enter the main platform, select Solana and PayPal. Type in the amount of Solana you want to exchange, then you can see how much PayPal USD you can receive. Please read the information carefully. Then you can click on the exchange button to head to the next step. On the second step, you need to enter your PayPal account, your email address. That is all you need. However, your phone number is optional, and bear in mind that there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. You can stay ahead of the latest deals and offers we have. Having done that, click on Exchange to head to the third step. Please dedicate some time to review the information on your order. Then you can head to the fourth step. Here is your last stop on your order. You have all the information regarding the payment, your order status, our terms of service. Please read this information carefully. You will have a track ID. You can use your track ID to track your order status, and you will have HiExchange's Solana wallet address. This is used to make the payment towards HiExchange. Having done the payment, you can upload a screenshot from your wallet, which is necessary in this section. When you have finished, you can click on I agree to terms, and you can click on pay order. Our exchange process is very simple and intuitive. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our 24/7 online support team. Thank you for choosing HiExchange.